Okay, here we are again. I think it's Tuesday morning. It's morning. The days all run together. I ain't got to go to work, so it's a good day. And me and Babe's out checking babies. We had a new one this morning. She was right on the other side of the fence there, across from the mamas. Mamas like to be together with their babies if they can. There's the one that fell in the hole yesterday. She's doing better today. She's just too tired. Another. And here's the one I found this morning. Come over, Mama. See your baby. There she is. She's a nice brown one. Mama, let's see that baby. And there's number 7. Look here, boy. On yesterday's video, it looked like he's got 4 ears or big eyebrows or something, but he don't. Let's get him up here and look at him. Let's look at him. Look him over. Come here, boy. He's scared. The Barbados in him. There you go. See? He don't. He's going to have some kind of hair on his face, though, ain't he? Yeah. See this? The color's muddled up. It looks like he's got 4 ears or something, but he's all right. Come on, boy. Go with your mama. There's today's baby. Pretty little brown girl. All this color comes from Maddie, the Barbados. Her and her gang. The mamas get little gangs together of their kids and grandkids and sisters. And Maddie's got a big gang. Daisy's got another gang. All the blind ones come out of Daisy's gang. I think she's Jimmy's sister. I did think Jimmy was the daddy of all the blind ones, but no. They come out of Daisy's stock, not Jimmy. Jimmy does breed a female every now and then, because they don't really fight over females. That's not what the boys are up to. They just fight to see who's the boss. That's what's important to them. Alright, well, that's 8 babies for the year. More coming, a whole bunch more, I guess. Babe, you enjoying that? Babe's out visiting. He growed a lot. He's over a week old now. I think at 2 weeks old, he'll move out to a hutch with a heat lamp in it. Because he pees too much to stay in the house. He just likes to